Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Akshat and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a passionate first year mechanical engineering student who has recently graduated from high school here at New South Wales. My main purpose is to create content in the HSC Mathematics Advanced, Extension 1 and Extension 2 courses. In each video, I'll be covering various different examples which are directed towards specific course material. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the arithmetic, quadratic, and different forms of complex numbers. So as we can see here, we've got our first example, which says, if z equals to 3 minus I and w equals to 17 plus I, it says find z cubed and w upon z. So we'll start with A. So as we know, if z equals to 3 minus I, z cubed would be cube of that, so it would be 3 minus I multiplied by each other 3 times. 3 minus I and 3 minus I. So the next step would be, we can go equals to, we can leave that as it is, 3 minus I. So basically like binomial expansion. So we've got 3 times 3, which will be 9. 3 times negative I, it's going to be minus 3i, and then we times that again, it will be minus 6i, because so that's 3, minus 3i, would be minus 6i, and then plus I squared. So complex number, or the value of I, is usually written as I equals to square root of negative 1. Right, so square root of negative 1, when we square that, so I squared then becomes square root of negative 1 all squared. So that and that get cancelled. So I squared then equals to negative 1. So we can change that, so we get 3 minus I, we get 9 minus 6i minus 1. So that becomes 8. So we get 3 minus I, we go 8 minus 6i. So we've got 8 minus 6i. Now we just do the same thing again. So we go 8 times 3, 24. 6 times 3, minus 18i. Yep. And then we go again, minus 8i, and then we go plus 6i squared. So this then equals to 24 minus 18 minus 8, 26. 26i, and then we go minus 6, because I squared becomes negative 1 times 6. Positive 6 becomes negative 6. So the final answer then equals to 24 minus 18, which is 18. Sorry, 24 minus 6 becomes 18 minus 26i. So that's the answer for A. Now we go on to the second part, which is B. Let me rub this out quickly. So for B, we've got W upon Z. So to do this, we go 17 plus I upon 3 minus I. 17 plus I upon 3 minus I. So here, the best way would be multiply both sides by the conjugate of the denominator. So if we multiply by this, the bottom then cancels out the i's, and you get a real number at the bottom. So the imaginary part gets cancelled. So if we multiply this by 3 plus I upon 3 plus I, we'd multiply this because we're still multiplying this by 1. So it doesn't really change any of this. So the top then becomes 17 plus I brackets 3 plus I. And then the bottom becomes 3 minus I upon 3 plus I. So 17 plus I, and then we've got that. So we can equate the bottom. I'll just quickly rub this out over here. Oh, I can just do it right now. I can just do it. It doesn't matter. So I'll just quickly just do this. So 3 times 3 would be 9 plus 3I minus 3I, you can see how that cancels out, minus I squared. So minus I squared minus I squared is negative 1 times the negative becomes 1. That and that get called off. So the bottom then becomes 10, 9 plus 1, which is 10. So we can equate the top now. 17 times 3. Where's my calculator? Oh, there it is. We got 17. 3 is 51. So the top becomes 51 plus 17i. So I'll put from the brackets. Plus 3i plus I squared, which is minus 1. All upon 10. So this then becomes 15, 50 plus 20, 17i plus 3i is 20i, all upon 10. So we can rewrite this as 5 plus cancel 2i is your final answer.